In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use EBT card on Uber Eats and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to redeem your EBT or SNAP benefits card on Uber Eats and order anything from here, all that you would have to do is go over to the payment options during checkout and you will be able to add a new payment method to your account. This is necessary to finish making any orders for delivery. What you will notice is that the standard options pop up, so credit or debit card, PayPal, gift card, and Zip. During the time that I'm recording this video, this is the latest version available of the app, and it seems that Snap or EBT cards are missing. So unfortunately, to summarize, as of today, it still isn't possible. However, it seems that there are developments happening to allow the usage of SNAP or EBT cards on Uber Eats. As you can see, according to this article posted on the Uber website, Uber Newsroom, they are implementing SNAP or EBT for Uber Eats. This also includes healthcare benefit payments, but focus on this video is going to be the EBT card. They haven't given us any specific dates on when this is going to become available, but to answer the question in the title of this video, it still is not possible, but sometime this year the option should be available, and all that you would have to do is to select it from here. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that currently this feature is not available, but in this year, 2024, it is expected to be released. I hope I was able to help you on how to use EBT card on Uber Eats. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.